Good afternoon. Oh, hello. Chair in the way. Hiya, how is everybody? What day is this going out? I was here earlier, that was Mondays, this is now Tuesdays, same day for me. Coffee, I need coffee because I've been at work, I've been training. Let me just get my coffee. Yeah, I need a coffee. Ooh. Right, it's turned into quite a nice day. This second storm, or storm Kieran? No, I don't know if that's right. I don't know how to say it. I think that's not hit here yet. It's meant to be hitting the south coast. Oh, all fun and games, eh? All fun and games. Need coffee. Yay. So if you cut yourself, fall over and cut yourself, I know what to do, okay? That was my training. Playground first aid. All good stuff. And then back to school, back to work properly tomorrow. I'm going to turn the seedlings because they're all leaning towards the light, the sunlight. Now I think I'm going to water them as well. They do look a little bit like they haven't watered them for quite a few days. It's kind of cold, not cold. Oh, where's my water? I've lost my water. Where is it? Hey? That's weird. I normally use a bottle. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm probably going to have to fill it up, to be fair. Maybe we'll have a trip to the water, but yeah, I'm definitely going to water. I need to fill this up. Coffee first, otherwise it'll be cold by the time I come back. I'm thinking, you know, yesterday I showed you, or Monday's vlog I showed you around the gooseberries. I might do that today round, I think it's common barberry. I think Nigel, it might have been you who said it was a common barberry. It needs it. The grass is right up there, and I'll give it a little bit of manure or something. Yeah. And I don't know. I might trim that grass around there. Yeah. Does anyone know about gooseberries? What would you plant? The gooseberries would normally be in their own bed. They'd grow. Is it worth just leaving it as grass? Or putting wood chip down instead, or just stripping the grass back for that particular area. I don't know, because when they do get big, I'm going to need to net them and all that kind of stuff. Wood chip might be better just to keep the grass, because I won't be able to cut the grass back. It would be harder. I'm going to take my coat off. I've got my staff stuff on. Just put that in my pocket. Oh, water. Let's go to the water butt. Let's get some water. Anyone have any guesses how old they reckon this shed is? Can you see it all? A lot of bird life goes on in there. Right, I think I might be using a spade. I'm going to cut round that common barberry. Let's hope that's what it is. It'd be great if it was. And also I might actually cut where I want the frog pond to go, just as a something to see if how well, I don't know what's under in the soil. I do have a panel here to go there, but I think with it being so nice I could save that for a rainy day. So we're going to go outside. I'm going to take the spade with me and I'm going to put it, you can watch, might put you on the tripod because it's quite quiet. Yeah, see you outside. Frog pond started, and I'm kind of increasing the level of this path because it dips quite badly. Yeah, I just the robin came back and it was when I went away, so I got the camera out and left it down there, and of course it didn't come back. I've left some mealworm for it though. Hopefully it'll come back. They seem a bit shy at the moment, but maybe over winter I bet he'll get better. And that was all the raspberry bed, but my neighbour's just there, so I don't want to talk loudly. So I did the raspberries, as in there's manure just around the cane, not touching, and hopefully this will help this common barberry, which I don't quite know what that is. I'll have to look it up again, I've forgotten. Maybe I'll put a thingy here because I did find it a long time ago, and then of course just got caught up with doing stuff. So I can't believe I've actually started. Oh, frog pond. Oh, can you see it from here? There. It's going to slope down mainly, and just one end of it will be 60 centimetres deep. Oh, that's hard work though. Good. Well, my battery's very low and I'm probably, looks like I'm upside down. Right, I'm going to say goodbye and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And if you've watched to the end, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so I mentioned yesterday about the giveaways, so email me, you know, if you'd like to be entered for the bags. Patrons as well, you have a patron only one with more bags, and also there's just one, my favourite bag is going for everybody. Right, take care, bye, see you tomorrow.